The world just stepped into a future that once belonged only in science fiction. Elon Musk has officially unveiled the Tesla Optimus Gen 2, a humanoid robot designed to perform human tasks with unmatched precision, intelligence, and efficiency. Unlike its first prototype, which looked more like an experiment than a revolution, the Gen 2 is a fully functional, advanced, and highly capable machine. Built with Tesla's powerful AI, state-of-the-art sensors, and human-like agility, this robot is created not only to assist humans, but potentially to replace them in several industries. Musk claims this new generation can handle jobs ranging from factory labor and warehouse logistics to elderly care and even retail services, all without fatigue, salaries, or breaks. While some see this as the dawn of a new industrial era, others fear a future where millions of human jobs vanish forever. In this video, we will explore every detail about the Tesla Optimus Gen 2, its features, technology, possible uses, and how it could change the world as we know it. When Elon Musk first announced Tesla's plans for a humanoid robot in 2021, many dismissed it as another bold idea meant to generate headlines. But Musk had bigger plans. In 2022, Tesla revealed the first Optimus prototype, which was slow, basic, and clunky. Most people assumed it would take decades before a robot like this became useful. But behind the scenes, Tesla's engineers were working tirelessly to push robotics forward. Today, the Optimus Gen 2 shows just how far they've come. The new version is 30% lighter thanks to advanced materials and a redesigned frame. Its human-like dexterity allows it to perform tasks requiring precision, like handling fragile objects, threading needles, or using tools designed for human hands. Powered by Tesla's AI, Optimus can walk naturally, maintain perfect balance, and adapt to complex environments. Its vision system uses Tesla's autopilot hardware and deep neural networks, enabling it to understand and react to the world in real time. What was once a futuristic dream is now becoming reality. Musk even predicts that Optimus could eventually be cheaper than a car and more valuable because it can work non-stop without salaries, vacations, or rest. The most impressive thing about the Optimus Gen 2 isn't its design, but its brain, Tesla's advanced AI. This is the same technology behind Tesla's full self-driving system, now adapted for humanoid robots. Optimus uses 8 high-resolution cameras and LiDAR sensors to build a 3D understanding of its environment. It doesn't just see objects, it understands what they are and how to interact with them. Its deep learning AI processes real-world data to make decisions, predicting outcomes much like a human would. If Optimus detects a box in its path, it can decide whether to move it, avoid it, or stack it based on context. Its motion control system translates these decisions into smooth, human-like movements, allowing the robot to bend, lift, and walk naturally. Perhaps the most groundbreaking feature is self-learning. Optimus doesn't need programmers to teach it every task. It learns by observing humans or other robots and then applies that knowledge to new situations. Even more revolutionary is Tesla's plan to create a networked hive mind for Optimus robots. Each robot learns individually, but shares its knowledge instantly with every other Optimus via Tesla's AI cloud. If one robot learns a new skill, every other robot gets better instantly. This kind of collective intelligence could allow Optimus to evolve faster than any previous technology. Tesla isn't just creating a robot. They're building the foundation for an AI-driven workforce that can handle nearly any job on Earth and beyond. With every industrial revolution, some jobs disappear and new ones are created. But Optimus Gen 2 is different because it's a general-purpose worker. It's designed to replace humans in almost any role, and that makes it a potential game-changer and a threat. The first industries at risk are manufacturing and assembly lines. Factories that once relied on thousands of human workers could soon be staffed entirely by Optimus robots, working with perfect precision and no downtime. Next are warehousing and logistics. Think about companies like Amazon, which employ hundreds of thousands of people to pick, pack, and ship products. Optimus could perform all those tasks faster and without error, possibly making human labor unnecessary. Retail and fast food jobs are also in danger. Optimus could handle cash registers, stock shelves, prepare food, and clean restaurants, effectively replacing entire shifts of workers. In healthcare, Optimus might assist with patient care, deliver medications, or help elderly patients with daily activities. While this could improve care quality, it could also reduce the need for human caregivers. Finally, construction and labor jobs are at risk too. Optimus can carry heavy loads, operate tools, and handle dangerous tasks, reducing workplace accidents, but also cutting human roles. The economic impact could be massive. Millions of people may lose their jobs within a decade. Wealth inequality could grow as companies using Optimus robots reap record profits while displaced workers struggle. While new jobs will emerge in AI, robotics maintenance and programming, these roles may not come close to replacing the sheer volume of lost positions. Optimus has the potential to transform the job market entirely, but it also risks creating a world where human work becomes obsolete. Elon Musk presents Optimus as the ultimate solution to boring, repetitive, and dangerous jobs. He imagines a future where robots handle everyday labor, leaving humans free to pursue creative projects, personal growth, and innovation. Musk believes Optimus could unlock a new era of abundance, where wealth and productivity soar. But critics warn that Musk's vision may be overly optimistic. Without strong policies, the rapid automation of human work could lead to mass unemployment and social unrest. There are also ethical and safety concerns. Tesla's self-driving cars have faced accidents and regulatory battles. If Optimus makes a mistake in a hospital, construction site, or home, who's responsible? Beyond that, there's the question of data and privacy. If every Optimus is connected to Tesla's AI cloud, it could potentially collect enormous amounts of personal information. Who controls this data and how is it used? Musk's dream of a robot-powered utopia may come true for some, but without careful regulation and planning, others fear we're heading toward a future where power and wealth concentrate in the hands of a few, while billions are left behind. No matter where you stand on the debate, one thing is undeniable. Optimus Gen 2 marks the beginning of a new industrial revolution. Within the next 10 to 15 years, industries could transform completely. We may see fully automated factories where humans only supervise while robots handle production. Healthcare could become more efficient with robotic caregivers, surgeons, and hospital assistants working non-stop. Space exploration could also benefit as Musk plans to send Optimus units to Mars to build colonies before humans even arrive. Governments may need to implement Universal Basic Income, UBI, to support citizens displaced by automation. Human society might need to rethink its entire purpose in a world where survival no longer depends on labor. Some believe this will lead to a renaissance of creativity, where humans focus on innovation, art, and exploration. Others fear it could cause widespread economic instability and societal breakdown if change happens too fast. Optimus isn't just a robo, it's a turning point in human history. It forces us to rethink our relationship with work, technology, and each other. How we adapt to this change will define the next century. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is more than a technological marvel. It's a symbol of humanity's ambition to create machines that think, move, and work like us. For some, it represents freedom from menial labor and a future filled with possibilities. For others, it's a warning sign of economic chaos, mass unemployment, and a world controlled by AI-driven corporations. What's certain is that life will never be the same again. Optimus is entering Tesla's factories today, but in the coming years, you might see one at your workplace, in hospitals, or even at home. The rise of AI robots like Optimus isn't a question of if, but when. And when it happens, society must decide whether this technology serves humanity or replaces it. Elon Musk believes Optimus is the key to unlocking human potential. But are we prepared for a world where machines might outperform us in nearly everything? The future is coming fast, and Optimus might just be leading the way.